Welcome to the introduction of QuietCut. If you create content online, especially for YouTube, you already know this part, the rough cut. It's one of the most annoying stages of editing. A lot of repetitive, monotone work and almost zero creativity involved. Removing silences, trimming pauses, lining everything up, it takes time. It kills momentum and honestly, it's just not fun. That's exactly where QuietCut comes in. QuietCut is a PC application designed to automatically cut silence from your videos. Now, you might already know some softwares that do this, but QuietCut does it in a very controllable and flexible way. On top, it is also free. At least the base version is, but we'll come to the tiers later on. Let me show you the features QuietCut offers. Features that were specifically designed to make the rough cut of content of any type fast and easy to achieve. QuietCut was designed from the perspective of a Twitch streamer, so it works very well to shorten down your VODs for a quick but still high quality YouTube upload. But depending on the type of content you are making, and especially how you utilize the program, you can also use it to get a good quality rough cut for a dedicated YouTube video or even audio or video podcast. Core silence detection and control. QuietCut gives you full control over how silence is detected and removed. You can define custom margins before and after speech, so cuts never feel rushed or unnatural. You can set a minimum speech length that needs to be detected before audio is even registered as valid speech. There's also a speech audio threshold, allowing you to precisely define how loud something needs to be to count as speech. Visual and audio preview. To make sure that your settings actually work the way you expect, QuietCut includes a waveform preview, so you can visually inspect where cuts will happen. You can even preview the processed audio in real time, which means that you can fine-tune and pre-listen to all parameters before you even export anything. Multitrack and advanced detection. QuietCut supports multiple audio tracks for silence detection. This is especially useful if you're working with a setup like a microphone track and a game audio track, or one microphone and one Discord track. Cuts will only be made when speech is detected on one of the selected tracks, even if other tracks contain background sounds. Batch processing. You're not limited to working on a single file. QuietCut allows you to process multiple files at the same time, making it ideal for long recording sessions, VODs, or batch content production. Export options and workflow integration. When it comes to exporting, QuietCut fits into professional workflows. You can export XML files, making the editing that QuietCut does non-destructive, allowing you to continue editing seamlessly in common video editing software. Alternatively, you can export MP4 files directly with additional options like adjusting individual audio track levels and selecting the tracks that you actually want to export. Let's take a quick look at the different plans. QuietCut has a basic plan which is completely free. You get silence removal for video and audio files, support for multiple audio tracks, XML and MP4 exports, individual dB thresholds per track, smoother transitions with margins, and up to 10 hours of video editing credits per month. Then there's Premium, which is currently available in a free beta. During the beta, you will get unlimited usage, unlimited export presets, bulk video processing, audio track visualization and preview, basically all features unlocked. This beta is available until February 13th, 2026. After that, if there is enough interest in the software, we're planning to implement a premium plan, which will be a one-time purchase. We strongly disagree with everything nowadays being a subscription-based service when it does not need to be. That was the introduction to QuietCut. If you have any questions at all, please check out our website, which is the first link in the description, to find an FAQ. If that still does not answer your question, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video and we hope that the tool can help you out.